Hi Earthlings! It's Captain Starlight here.
It's Captain Starlight here too.
Whoa! What's our favourite thing to do? We'll say it on the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Dance! What's our second favourite thing to do?
Oh.
On the count of three.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Jumping! Singing.
Eating tuna milk.
Talking
Stress.
dolphin.
Having a sleep.
I was going to say we love to chat.
We love chatting.
And I found this magical contraption called the Chatterbox on planet Earth. Check it out. Whoa. I thought today, what if we combine our first favourite thing,
Des.
with our second favourite thing,
Chatting.
into a Dare Chatterbox?
Yes, I love it. How do you make it?
Hey, why don't I show you?
Okay, great. Let's do it.
Cool.
Let's get started. For this activity, all you'll need is a piece of paper, scissors and a pen. With the paper laying horizontal, fold up the bottom corner and then cut along the edge so that you make an even square. After unfolding the square, fold it in half again the other way to make a crisscross. Now take the edge of a square and fold a smaller rectangle. After doing one, unfold and do it the same on the other side. After unfolding your edges, you should notice that you have 8 triangles inside of your square. Now back to the corners. Take each of the 4 corners of your square and fold it in to the middle point that has been created. It should now look like this. You're on a roll. Flip over your square with the triangles folded in, and then you're going to repeat the same step on the other side. Take each corner of your square and fold it into the middle point. This is where you need your pen. On the small folded triangles, go around to each one and label them with a number. Now with your numbers labelled, fold your square into a big triangle, unfold it, turn it around and fold it the other way to help strengthen the crease. On the opposite side of the square, label the 4 tabs with an action, so meaning something someone has to do. For example, I've used slow-mo to sing, to dance, maybe it could be to mock, to imitate. Anything that starts with the word to is usually the way to go. Where the numbers are, write down some characters. Maybe they could be animals or your favorite cartoon characters. Could even be different family members. That's going to be the character that you have to copy in your dare. Take your Chatterbox square and fold it in half again. Like this. Now the tricky part. On each of the 4 squares you'll notice there are folds. On each corner, push inward and these folds should help you to create what's like a cross. If it looks like this, you're doing it right. From each corner of the unfolded side, open up each flap to make 4 little diamonds. This is where you're going to put your hands to use the Chatterbox. And voila! Chatterbox complete. Inside, underneath the characters, you can fold up the flaps and write in a location to make the dare even more exciting. With your Chatterbox fully formed, you'll notice the to-do thing will be the first thing to choose, the second thing to choose will be the character, and the third thing to do will be the location. So for example, you might get as a dare to dance, like a lion, in the desert. Happy daring, everybody.
We
Yes,
made it!
We made one! Should we give it a whirl?
Yes, please.
Alright, Captain Starlight, you have to choose between floss like her, laugh like her, sing like her, or slow-mo like her.
Ooh.
S-I-N-G.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to sing like a dog,
Okay.
like a pig, like a mouse,
Oh.
or like a unicorn?
Ooh. A unicorn, please.
Okay. N. Captain Starlight,
Yes.
you have to sing like a unicorn
Okay.
in a library.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I am a unicorn. Shh, shh, shh. I need a book about some corn. Shh, shh, shh. Don't be too loud. Shh, shh, shh. Or the librarian will yell at you. Would you like to slow-mo like a cat, a cow, a penguin, or a dragon?
Like a cow.
Okay. Number 1. Captain Starlight,
Yep.
you have to slow-mo like a cow in a spooky castle.
Moo. Moo. Dance complete.
Yay!
That was fun.
That was so fun. Now it's your turn.
Happy Chatterbox daring to you.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe and get more videos every week.
Bye.
Look out for the ghosts.
Ah.